For a while now, having worked with PLCs, I've always wondered, well, if the PLC is just a really simple computer that's stuck inside of a case that we can add different modules to get information about our surroundings and send output instructions, then why not just make that computer a little bit more complicated and add some of the features and functionalities that we already find on modern computers and let that control our system? Well, that's exactly the idea behind the industrial PC, or the IPC. Now, an IPC really is just a computer that contains all of the standard pieces that we'd see inside of a computer: the motherboard, the memory, connection ports for Ethernet, USB ports, HDMI, USB, sometimes even wireless connections. But the thing that sets them apart from regular PCs comes in two different ways. First of all, they're built inside these cases that are very rugged. That means that they can withstand the industrial environments way better than your laptop or a tower PC typically would be able to. The second thing that sets them apart is that a lot of the communication protocols that are enabled into it by default are attached on industrial connectors, and they follow protocols like RS-232 or RS-485, which are capable of communicating with all the devices around an industrial facility. Now, there are many people who've created that ability inside normal computers, like on their standard laptop or tower computer, but those ones often aren't durable enough and they're not well understood enough to be able to be troubleshot by other engineers who come along after. So these custom solutions are usually not the best ones for an industrial environment. But now, thanks to these industrial PCs, we have many more connection abilities with I/O ports that are removable, sometimes even the familiar modular connections that we see on PLCs, but they contain a full operating system that allows computer engineers to write programs that can not only communicate with our I/O devices, but also to be able to communicate with networked peripherals, do much more custom algorithms, even machine vision or AI inside the computer, which we're seeing more and more of these days. In addition to that, with the ability to connect to a network in a much more secure fashion, then these can become the gateway that allow your information on your field level to communicate with a cloud or edge system in a way that normally would be very risky to connect a PLC to be able to do. So really, the computer technology is just the next evolution of the industrial controller. But as that migrates and advances, we have many things to consider, like how well are engineers going to understand this and troubleshoot problems? How secure is it going to be in an industrial setting? So we do have some challenges to overcome, but these industrial PCs are designed to overcome those challenges and give engineers a better platform to be able to create these customized solutions to the problems that are continuing to get more complex as the days go by.